Hi everyone, welcome to the new era of makeup. This is Rida Zahra, and if you're new here, like, subscribe and share Vegas.pk YouTube channel. So they say, flip your hair and enjoy life. But what if you have dry, damaged hair? And एक अच्छे makeup look के लिए healthy, shiny looking hair होना तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Is there a way to get that in just a few minutes? Of course there is. There is an amazing product by L'Oreal Professional, which is the Methic Oil. So with just a few drops of this magical product, you can get untangled, healthy looking hair which look professionally done. And how to do that? I'm going to teach you in this video, and I'll also teach you a few easy hairstyles that you can do, and not to worry about hitting the salon each time. So application से पहले मैं आपको इसकी कुछ properties बताऊंगी. This is a multitasking radiance hair oil and it has a high concentration of argan oil, and we all know argan oil is so amazing for the hair and skin. But इसका texture regular oil की तरह नहीं है. It's very non-greasy and it's very lightweight. As soon as you apply it on your hair, it evaporates और आपके hair बिल्कुल silky और shiny लगते हैं. It also has a very nice fragrance. So whenever you get your hair done from the salon and you smell this, fragrance in your hair, this is the secret, my friend. ये बहुत से salons में इस्तेमाल होता है and it's a very perfect heat protectant. I would suggest कि आप जब भी styling करें उससे पहले ये ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करें. It protects your hair from up to 230 degree to 446 degree Fahrenheit of heat, which is quite a lot. ये humidity से भी आपके बालों को protect करेगा. आजकल काफ़ी ज़्यादा humidity है, so this, my friend, is going to come in handy. And it also is a anti-frizz formula and it protects your hair from frizz up to 48 hours. So let's get started and apply this product, and I'll show you how. And by the end of the video, I will make a small announcement as always. So grab a snack and keep on watching. So Huda के length के बालों के लिए I will need 3 pumps of the product, and this should be enough. Ideally, अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा frizzy और dry damaged हैं तो आप damp बालों पे इसको apply करें. That is ideal. But if you have not very dry damaged hair, there is somewhere between normal, so you can also use it on dry hair. As हुदा के बाल बहुत ज़्यादा dry damaged नहीं हैं तो मैं उनके dry बालों पे ही इसको apply करूँगी. So you rub the product on your palms and then you just swipe it on the hair. Roots पे apply करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये सिर्फ mid length से ends तक आप apply करें. इस पॉइंट पे अगर आपको ज़रूरत है तो even application के लिए आप ब्रश भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to brush her hair and you can see कि कितने आराम से ये detangle हो रहे हैं. It's very non-greasy. It's not like the normal texture of oil. So it dries and it evaporates right away, and it gives the hair such a nice silky smooth feel. And now her hair are ready for styling. So the first hairstyle is a sleek high ponytail. उसके लिए हम सारे बालों को brush से gather करेंगे. And it's easier to do it with the brush so that it secures all the hair that she has, जो short cutting में हैं और long भी हैं. And you keep doing it till you achieve the height you want. So I have secured the hair in the hair tie tightly. Don't worry about the baby hair, we'll deal with that later. And you take a small portion of the hair and you wrap it around your hair tie ताकि आपकी hair tie नज़र ना आए और एक बहुत ही polished formal look आ जाए. And now this part you secure it with a hairpin. And to give it more height, you can tease your hair a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide it in 2 sections. एक section आप side पे कर लें और नीचे के section पे tease करें बालों को. And now I'm going to take the top part and spread it over. See, it has given it a very chic height. And for the baby hair over here, इसके लिए you can use hairspray and you can even use the same mythic oil. So for the baby hair मैंने उसके लिए थोड़ी सी और product ली है and I'm going to rub it on my palms and use it here. Also she has some flyaways. So हुदा के थोड़े बहुत hairs जो हैं वो बाहर आ रहे हैं. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull it up and secure it with a bobby pin. So this is the final look. It looks very sleek and sophisticated. And it just took me a few minutes and she is ready to go. Now we're going to do our second hairstyle, which is going to involve some beach curls, and I know हम सब कितने curls से obsessed हैं. So you can see her hair are a bit flat right now. So I'm going to do a braid and I'm going to curl her hair. And for the curling, I'll use Steam Pod, which is a very amazing product available at vegas.pk, जिसकी detail मैं आराम से आपको किसी वीडियो में बताऊंगी. Okay, so इस hairstyle के लिए हम side part लेंगे. And she has some stubborn flyaway hair, तो braid इसके लिए बहुत अच्छी रहेगी. So we're going to take a very nicely divided hair part and now one from here. I'll take a little more hair and now we have a good chunk to make a braid. So I'm going to secure the rest of the hair on the back with a pin ताकि मैं easily यहाँ पे braid बना सकूँ. So now we're done with the braid और braid को हम थोड़ा सा volume देंगे and we will take it to the back और यहाँ पे एक bobby pin के साथ इसको secure कर लेंगे. And now I'm going to tease the hair and give her head some volume and then I'll start the waves. So now we're going to take the front part and cover the area that we have teased और इसको एक smooth सी finish दे देंगे. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा tightly back comb नहीं किया, so when I don't want to do a very tight back comb, I usually do it with my brush and then उसके ऊपर से उसको neat look देने के लिए I use my comb. We're going to give it a little bit of volume. And now the crown is ready and we will start doing the waves. So now I'm going to do her waves. Just like that. So now I've done the curls and here is the final look. So now I'm going to teach you a very easy bun. इसमें आप सारे बाल gather करेंगे in your hands and just like this. And you'll secure them in a hair tie. बिल्कुल simple जैसे ponytail बनाते हैं. Just like that. And then we'll divide the hair into two parts और यहाँ पे हम एक gap छोड़ेंगे. Just like this. So for this part, I usually take this tool, but even if you don't have it, आप फिर भी कर सकते हैं. I'm just using it ताकि ये neatly बन जाए. That's it. Now after this part, we'll take the hair, थोड़ा सा इसको loose कर लें. So with the remaining hair, you'll just twist and turn them just like that. And now you're going to secure it with some pins. ये इस तरह की white pins होती हैं, इनको जूड़ा pins भी कहते हैं. They come in handy whenever you want to make a hair bun. So नीचे जो भी extra बाल हैं, we'll grab it in the pin and we'll secure those hair just like this. That's it, and the bun is done. It looks very nice and sophisticated, and it literally took me just a few minutes. So you see how magical and time-saving this product is. It literally, in just a few minutes, gives you a very nice, smooth, professionally done hair look. So now it's time for me to make that little announcement. So whoever is going to share this video in their stories and tag us, we'll include them in a lucky draw. और lucky draw का winner मैं announce करूँगी अपने next live session में, जिसको एक Mythic oil free मिलेगा. So don't miss out on this special offer. So with this product in your bag, you can never have a bad hair day. I know life isn't perfect, but your hair can be. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments section below. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe.